or spies. Reasons? Look at the eyes. Obviously, cameras inserted. They can wield weapons to attack their boss's enemies. Reasons? More reasons. Birds harass people to distraction and insert location devices on them for their bosses to retrieve or flagged items. The birds calling out secret codes, messages for exchanging convo with organizations without anybody knowing. The different bird species resembles the different organizations they are working for. That's why birds attack other birds. Why organizations are in a separate ward rather than our noses.
You missed the slide.
That's why this movie has to try to hit me to start. Birds are spies. We're excited. TrustMeBro.org. Pinterest. In my mind.
Oh. That's it. Fire job, Derek. Take a bow.